How to block someone on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. Whether they are bothering you or if you don't want to contact them anymore, this is how you can do it. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, go to the chat section from the bottom. Here, simply tap on the chat that you want to block. Then swipe left. Here you can see 3 different options. On the middle, you can see this block option. Click on it. Now you have 2 different options. If you just want to block them or if you want to block and report them, simply click on the option that you want. Now if you are blocking a business, then you need a reason for it. Simply tap on the reason, then click block, and that's it. This is how you block someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.